I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, the key word is the preposition after the gap to. Only one of the answers collocates with that preposition, and that answer is managed. C. Managed to do something. Otherwise, you succeed in doing something, you achieve something, and you accept something. For question number 2, the key word here is the preposition after the gap to. If we consider that preposition, only two answers collocate with to, and those are A and C, communicated and distributed. So which one of those two is closest to the meaning that the context demands? And it is, of course, communicated A. For question number 3, let's have a look at the language pattern that we're presented with and consider the answers that we're given. C and D require different language patterns. Clearly, those two are not the answers, which leaves us with A and B, maintained and remained. If we then turn to the context, what does the context demand from us in terms of the correct meaning? Well, it means that the context demands from us the meaning stayed. So which of the answers is closest to stayed? Of course, it's B, remained. For question number 4, the context is that he sent a lot of letters to a number of mathematicians, and one of those mathematicians from that group of mathematicians got in contact with him. So we need a preposition to communicate that message. And bearing that in mind, the only correct answer is A, among. Question number 5. Question of collocations. Your amazement. Does it multiply, increase? Does it boost? Or does it expand? Not generally speaking, it's always the case that your amazement increases, which is why the answer in this case is increased, B. For question number 6, the key word here is the preposition after the gap, at. There's only two answers which collocate with at, and those are C and D, landed and arrived. Now, the context is that we're talking about reaching a particular point. So that means the correct answer is D. You arrive at that point, and here in this case, he had arrived at several results. For question number 7, the context is that this guy used new ways to get to results that people already knew about, which is why the answer for question number 7 is D, known. Question number 8 is a test of your vocabulary knowledge. All of the answers in different contexts could mean working together, but only one of the answers means working together to produce something within an academic context. And that answer is B, collaboration.